Heat engine is a machine which converts heat energy supplied to it by the combustion of fuel into mechanical energy in the form of work. Heat engines are mainly classified into two main groups, namely external combustion engines and internal combustion engines. If the combustion of fuel takes place entirely outside the working cylinder, then the engine is called external combustion engine. Steam engines and steam turbines are examples of this type. If the combustion of fuel takes place inside the engine cylinder so that the products of combustions directly act on the piston or blades, then the engine is called internal combustion engine. Diesel engines, petrol engines, gas engines and gas turbines are some of the examples of this type.
In internal combustion engines, the process of mixing the air with the petrol by vaporizing it is known as carburation. Carburator is a device for atomizing the volatile liquid fuel, that is petrol, and mixing it with the air in the varying proportion to suit the changing operating conditions of the engine.
Two-stroke cycle engine. In two-stroke cycle engine, 4 operations are completed in one revolution of the crankshaft. It is a single cylinder engine. There are no valves in this engine. Instead of valves, ports are cut in the cylinder walls. There are 3 ports: inlet, exhaust and transfer port. The crown of the piston is made of particular shape to deflect the fresh charge upward in the cylinder. Thus, the escape of fresh charge along with exhaust gas is reduced. Four-stroke cycle engines. There are distinctly 4 strokes, namely suction stroke, compression stroke, expansion stroke and exhaust stroke for 4 different operations in a cycle. Each stroke is identified as per the function. In the 4-stroke engine, there is a power stroke in every 4 strokes or during 2 revolutions of the crank. The 4-stroke engines are further classified as 4-stroke petrol engine and 4-stroke diesel engine according to the type of fuel used in the engine.